Hi, this is Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors with this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. Now that we're finally getting some nicer weather, it's the perfect time to get outside and spruce up your home, especially if you're thinking about selling this spring or summer. One thing buyers notice immediately: curb appeal. Before they ever walk through the front door, they've already started forming an opinion about your home. First impressions matter, and good curb appeal can actually make buyers more excited to see what's inside. Good news is, you don't have to spend a fortune. A few simple things can make a huge difference. Fresh mulch in the flower beds, trimmed bushes and edged lawns, a power washed driveway or siding, clean windows, a freshly painted front door, updated house numbers or lighting, a couple of colorful planters by the entryway, and don't forget the little things. Put away the hoses, the toys, and the winter leftovers that might still be hanging around after a long Wisconsin winter. Buyers love homes that feel cared for, and curb appeal helps create that feeling right away. If you're wondering which updates are actually worth doing before you sell, I'm always happy to help prioritize where to spend your time and money. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. I'm Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. And please, if you have any friends or family that are planning to move, please mention our name, because Travis and I promise to take very good care of any referrals that you send our way. Thanks again.